Hello, my dear children. Hope all of you are fine. So, in the last class, what we have learned, do you remember that? We have learned about equivalent fraction. So, today we are going to learn about how to compare fractions. Say, if I have two numbers like 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Which one is greater? Can you say? Here, these two are like fractions, is it? As we have learned it earlier, these two are like fraction because the denominators are same. What is the denominator here? The denominator for both the fractions is 3. So, if it is in the form of like fraction, it is very easy to compare. Just see the numerator. Here, the numerator are 2 and 4. So which one is greater, 2 or 4? 4 is greater, so we can say that 2 by 3 is less than 4 by 3, or we can say that 4 by 3 is greater than 2 by 3. Okay? So it is very easy to compare the like fractions. For another example, 1 by 6 and 3 by 6. Which is greater? Both denominators are same here, so it is in the like fraction. So we have to compare the numerators. Numerators are 1 and 3. We can compare the numerator. 3 is greater than 1, so we can say that 1 by 6 is less than 3 by 6. But we have learned about unlike fraction. For example, 1 by 2 or 1 by 4. Which is greater? Okay, which is greater here? You can see that the denominators are different. Here the denominator is 2 and the denominator here is 4. So they are unlike fractions, is it? So how to compare that? We cannot say that 1 by 2 is less than 1 by 4. We cannot say like that. Okay. So for that, we have to find out the LCM, least common multiple. Do you remember that? LCM of the denominator. So what are the denominators here? The LCM of 2 and 4 we have to find out. LCM of 2 and 4. Let us do that. 2, we have to divide by 2 and you will be getting 1. So 2 is equal to 2 into 1 and 4. You can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then again you can divide it with 2. That is 1. You will be getting 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So we have got the LCM as 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay. Now we have to make this into equivalent fraction. Why we have to make it into equivalent fraction? So if you want to convert it into like fraction, what we have to do? We have to write the equivalent fraction. So to write the equivalent fraction, we have to find out the LCM. Okay. And we have got the LCM as 4. Now I'll take the first fraction, that is 1 by 2. And the LCM we have got is 4. Okay. That I'm going to write here. So if I have to get this as 4, what I have to do? I have to multiply the denominator with 2. So we have learned that if we are multiplying the denominator with 2, we have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So here I am going to multiply the numerator. The numerator is 1, 1 with 2. So I will be getting 2 by 4. So the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. Why we have taken this? Because 4 is the LCM, we have to get both the denominators same. 2 by 4 is the fraction. Okay. And the second number is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the second fraction, that we can write it as 1 by 4 itself, because 4 is all the denominators here. So we have got two fractions. Now 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. So both are now in the form of like fractions with denominator 4. Okay, now we can compare which one is greater. 2 by 4 is greater than, so we can write that 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Or we can write that 2 by 4 is, which one is 2 by 4? 1 by 2. So we can, therefore, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. This is the answer. Understood? Shall we do one more question? So dear children, we will compare one more fraction, okay? 5 by 3 and 4 by 5. So I have taken two fractions now, 5 by 3 and 4 by 5. As you can see here, they are unlike fractions. The denominators are 3 and 5. Okay. So what we have to do in the first step, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of 3 and 5. Okay. So here, if you are finding out the LCM, these two are prime numbers. Okay. Since both the numbers 3 and 5 are prime numbers, we can take the LCM just by multiplying the numbers. That is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15 is the LCM. You can check it. 3. You can divide it by 3 only and you will be getting 1. So 3 is equal to 3 into 1 and 5. We can divide it with only by 5. Then 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So 5 is equal to 5 into 1. Okay. And the LCM is 3 into 5. We have got it as 15. Okay. So no need to do like this. If both the numbers are prime numbers, just multiply it. Then you will be getting the LCM here as 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Okay, 15 is the LCM. So in the next step, what we have to do? First, we have to take 5 by 3. Okay, that we have to convert into equivalent fraction. For that, its denominator must be 15. So if I have to convert the denominator of 3 into 15, what I have to do? I have to multiply 3 with 5, is it? 5 threes are 15. So I have to multiply the denominator with 5. So if I'm multiplying the denominator with 5, then I have to multiply the numerator also with 5. Okay. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25. I'll write the step if you need. That is 5 by 3. That is 5 into 3 is, yeah, I have to get 15. 5 into 3 is 15. So I have to multiply 3 with 5. So here also I will be multiplying with 5. Then 5 5s are 25. So like this we will be getting 25 by 15. So I have got the first fraction. Now the second. Which one is 4 by 5? So here I have the denominator 5. Which denominator I have to get? I have to get 15 because the LCM is 15. So what I have to do? 5 3s are 15. So I have multiplied 5 with 3. So I have to multiply the numerator also with 3. So 4 3s are 12. Should I write the step? I'll show you. 4 and the denominator is 5. I have to get the denominator as 5. For that, I'll be getting the denominator 15 when I multiply it with 3. 5 3s are 15. So, if I multiply the denominator with 3, then I have to multiply the numerator also with 3. That is, I'll be getting 12. Okay. So, if you know this, then you can just write like this. No need to write this. Okay. And if you are not getting, you just write these two steps also. Okay. Okay. So now I have got two new fractions. What are they? 25 by 15 and 12 by 15. Here you can see that both are in the form of like fractions. So we can compare it easily. 25 or 12, which is greater? 25 is greater than 12, is it? 20 since, this is since, okay. If you just put these three dots like that, then it is since. Since 25 is greater than 12. Or you can write because or since we can use, or just write these three dots, okay, like this. 2 here and 1 is here, because 25 is greater than 12. Okay, so 25 by 15. So which is the fraction we have? We have to write, see the question also. Okay, 25 by 15 is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is greater than 12 by 15 is 4 by 5. We have converted this 5 by 3 into 25 by 15 and 4 by 5 into 12 by 15. So when you write the answer, you have to write it like this. 5 by 3 is greater than 4 by 5. Understood? How we are comparing it? So first, if it is in the like fraction, simply see the numerator and we can compare. If it is in the unlike fraction form, what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM. Then with that LCM, we have to write the equivalent fraction of those two fractions. Then you will be getting it in the like fraction form. Then as we are doing it in the like fraction, just compare the numerator and write the answer. So when you write the answer, you have to convert again into the question. Okay, don't just write 25 by 15 is greater than 12 by 15. So which is that 25 by 15? That is 5 by 3. And 12 by 15 is 4 by 5. So you have to write 5 by 3 is greater than 4 by 5. Hope all of you understood it. Thank you.